If you're one of those people who has an opinion about everything, I'm going to show you how to get paid for that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, Satish, Gaire here. So today we're going to be talking about how can you make money while answering other people's questions. So I have a friend, his name is Nicholas Lal, right? He might be watching this video. Now he loves to respond back to so many questions, right? So on Facebook, he's helping so many people out. Like people are asking him about questions about marketing, sales, and he loves to answer them. Now, what if he could get paid for those answers? Now, I'm going to show you an exact method on how you can get paid for this. Okay, so let's start. So first step is getting on this website called JustAnswer.com. JustAnswer.com, it's a site where people pay to get an advice from an expert. Now, you're thinking, do I have to be a doctor, lawyer? No, you could be, right? Now, the idea here is if you have some sort of expertise in, computer, sales, marketing, business plans, mechanics, whatever you might be, so whatever your background is, you should be able to provide some sort of advice to these people and you will get paid. That's the whole concept. Now, the way it works is what you do is you go ahead and go to justanswer.com and sign up for an account as an expert. Now, who is an expert? Expert is somebody who has some sort of knowledge or experience in an industry. So if you've been working on XYZ for this many years, you have done this, you are considered an expert and you can get paid for that. Let me show you how. So you come up here and you will be able to scroll all the way down here and you can click on become an expert at the bottom. Now, all you have to do is click on put in your first and last name, your email, and you have to select what are you good at, okay? Now, it could be anything. It could be computer. So for example, right? So when I was talking earlier, an example, so sales and marketing would fall under computer, right? Now, it's a generic big topic. It could go into anything. So it could be general, right? So you could be providing advice on love, breakups. That could go there, right? So whatever. So if you have some sort of life experience, you can become an expert, okay? And you can go to wellness, electronics, helping people choose the right electronics to buy. All that good stuff can be done directly from here. Now, once you go ahead and sign up, it's very simple. So you're gonna get questions, okay? And questions will ask you, hey, how do I do this? They'll ask you for an advice. Now, once you go ahead and respond back, they will rate you. Now, if they rate you negative, you don't get paid, right? That makes sense. Now, if they rate you positive, like 1 out of 5, then you do get paid. And keep in mind that, let's say, you respond to a question and another guy who is the same expert in the same field can come there and provide a better opinion or better advice. And if the person who's asking the question, if they rate them better, they will get paid. So you have to make sure that you are providing a helpful, beneficial answer. Now, how do you do that? So here's what you do, okay? So always when you're responding to something, assume that they don't know the basics. So explain them the basics. So explain them the foundation, quick crash course, okay? Quick paragraph. Now, after that, do not use abbreviation. So don't say GA instead of Google Analytics. Use the full thing and put it into parentheses if it makes sense. Do that. Provide examples. So if you're trying to explain something, give an example of what would happen. Now, lastly, you have to give people more than multiple options. So whenever I provide a feedback or consult, I give people 3 or 4 options to choose from. What that tells you is that, hey, this guy not only knows one way to do it, but multiple ways. So they'll rate you, hey, I have 4 options. So do that, and at the end, make sure to thank them. Okay, so if you do these things, chance of a person rating your answer positive goes higher. So make sure to do that on every single answer. Okay, so make sure to do that and you should be fine. So this is a quick, easy way to make money while responding to answers. Now, you might be thinking, hey, on the site it says, doctors, dentists. No, I mean, you could be, But like I said, you could provide an answer. Let's say you know a lot about computers. You can do computers, right? And sales, cars. Maybe you know which car to pick. Maybe you know something about cars that nobody else does, right? Maybe you know what to tell, how to talk to a dealership guy. There's a place for you right here. So don't think that you might be you're not a doctor or dentist or a vet, and you can't make money from this method. You can. Anybody can. Let me go ahead. So appraisals, right? So if you know how the valuations work, you can go ahead and do that as well. Cars, computers, electronics, finance. If you have some advice, right? Now it's helpful if you have some experience and certification, but even if you don't, you should be fine, okay? As long as you can provide some proof that, hey, you know a little bit about this topic. Make sense? Let's move on. So general, I wouldn't recommend doing law or medical if you don't know what you're doing, but a wellness. So this is a way to make a little bit of extra income here and there. So keep in mind that it all adds up, and all you have to do is sign up and maybe just glance at the site for like 10 minutes a day. And that way you can actually earn an income. So you get paid through check, direct deposit, and PayPal as well. I hope that makes sense. And make sure, one more thing, guys, I provide you new ways to make money every Friday. So every Friday on this channel, I show you a new innovative way to make money. Make sure you visit sidehustle.net, sidehustle.net, and make sure to enter your email here and also here, okay? So that we can send you all the goodies on the email, because I send out so much content that I can't even publish here on YouTube through my newsletter. So make sure that you are subscribed. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram, SGAIRE, and I'll see you around. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.